All right, good afternoon, everybody. Frankie here with a talk about the potential for severe thunderstorms here across the inland northwest, the Pacific Northwest. Um, there's an unusual pattern that's going to be developing and bringing heavy rain, hail, damaging winds, and the potential even for an isolated tornado across much of eastern Washington into North Idaho and northeast Oregon. So we're going to be watching out for that. That looks like it's going to happen Thursday and Friday. Both days have a threat for some type of severe weather. It looks like Thursday night would probably be the worst of it, with the potential for hail over 1 inch in diameter. Potentially the hydrograph profiles and the vertically integrated liquid model forecasts show potentially up to golf ball size hail in some of these storms, and as well as 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts, which we know can cause a lot of damage, especially for trees and power lines. So we'll see how this evolves. Right now, we're still way away from the event, about 5 and 6 days out. But I'll continue to keep you updated here. And we do have the potential for even an isolated tornado. So it's something you'll want to stay tuned to and be aware of. But right now, the consensus is that if we get enough sunshine Thursday afternoon, we're going to get hot. We're going to get hot for this upcoming week. It's going to start getting hotter every day starting today. It'll be about in the mid 80s, upper 80s tomorrow, and then the low 90s for 3 days, with those thunderstorms coming Thursday with temperatures around 90 degrees still. That's how you get severe weather in the inland northwest, when it's hot and humid. So we're going to have humidity coming up here. We're going to have dew points well into the 50s, if not near 60 degrees, which is relatively rare for the inland northwest. And I do think that there is a potential for a regional wide severe weather event, possibly being a squall line, or maybe even in multi-cell storms, or a cluster of storms, different clusters of storms, or it could be just supercells. It just depends on the what kind of wind shear becomes available during this time. Right now, it looks like southeast Washington, north panhandle of Oregon, or excuse me, the northeast quadrant of Oregon into North Idaho looks like the best spot, and into western Montana for severe weather on the day Thursday. And then Friday, we continue with the severe threat. A little bit less, though. A little bit less coverage expected on those, and then a cold front sweeps through and we cool off to around 80 degrees with sunshine back in the forecast after Friday. So very interesting situation shaping up here, and I'll be on here to let you know the latest information when it becomes available. But for now, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great afternoon.